What is your advantage as a criminology graduate compared to other courses applying to Correction Officer 1 or Correction Technical Officer 1? This is how you're going to answer that question. My advantage as a criminology graduate is readiness. I am already trained in penology, corrections administrations, security protocols, inmate management, and ethical custodial services. Unlike other applicants who are graduate of unrelated courses, I required minimal adjustment time and can perform effectively from day one. I understand that Bucor is not about security, but also rehabilitation, discipline, and public safety. These backgrounds allows me to serve professionally, lawfully, and in line with the mission of the Bureau of Corrections. Pag ganyan ang sagot mo, awan ko na lang kung hindi ma-impress ang panelist sa'yo. Hindi ka nila tatawaging kupal pag yan ang sagot mo. Makikita kita sa outtaking, tandaan mo yan.